Hello traders, John Hayden here with a daily revision. I have plenty of things to share with you guys, so let us begin. Before we start, I want to go over the risk disclaimer. Each one of you take 10 seconds to read it out, and we continue. Okay, so starting as always with upcoming events. All events are taking place in GMT hours, so change it to your hour if you're from a different country. Write them down in your calendar so you would be able to trade them after the announcement. Not a lot is expected for economical events. However, we continue with big companies' earning reports for today. Between the companies, we have Philip Morris, Citigroup, Goldman Sachs, and more. The volatility on the market should be higher today, thus short-term trades would be better than longer ones. Moving on to the US market, another red day in Wall Street as poor results from China once again set a downward direction. Furthermore, bad reports from Walmart on future decline in earnings, at least until the end of 2019, made investors concerned how such big company, which outside seems so strong, falls apart like that. It might be a sign of global weakness, but on the other hand, analysts still say we should be optimistic as we just started with earning reports for the third quarter. If we're using the technical analysis approach, the explanation for the downward trend is the small correction of last week's rally. In the end, things should go higher again. In conclusion, don't rush to trade every stock you find. Go on easier ones such as Intel and Netflix, which have good recommendations, as Intel already reported very good results for the quarter, and Netflix should report today after trading session. Below you can see the SP 500 daily chart. We broke the last resistance and we are now heading towards the correction. If we will stop in this area, we should go for higher highs in the US market. Gold reached almost 4 months high yesterday as poor global results mainly from China made traders invest in what they consider safe haven. Whenever things get unclear for traders, they always invest in gold, thus we should expect higher prices. Short-term trades on gold will be a good advice as no resistance is stopping us. As you can see in the graph below, we broke the resistance here with a beautiful green candle, and there is no resistance before, and that may stop the upward trend. Thus short-term trades for gold, call options if you're binary options, or if you're trading commodities, buy the good. It's very recommended by analysts. Microsoft. Focused on Microsoft today, we received great news. They sold out after only 5 days their new products called Surface Books, which is their first laptop. Things should go well for the company as many investors expect higher revenues for the next quarter by when the price is still low. Furthermore, they should report earnings on the 22nd of October, so now it's time to build the right momentum. As you can see in the graph below, this is the Microsoft's daily chart, and we have this trend line here which is now stopping the movement upward. I believe we will break this trend line as Microsoft will announce on the 22nd of October, but for now it's good to buy when it's not fashionable, and we are buying it for a cheaper price before the breakout. That's it for today. If you guys have any question, you can contact me by the email above. Sorry, it's not above, it's below. And I'll see you again tomorrow.